Last Halloween, my dolls only had a witch costume. But this year, I found the perfect Halloween fabrics and decided to make tiny bat wings. They're free, easy to sew, and fit every single one of my mini dolls. For this project, I use fabrics that truly feel like Halloween. A purple satin with tiny bat prints for a magical touch. I also added a layer of wadding to give the wings more shape and volume. For the straps, I'm using elastic so the wings easily slip onto your doll's arms. You'll need our free bat wings pattern. And of course, a mini doll ready to wear her new wings. Place the pattern on your fabric, trace it using a disappearing ink pen, and cut directly on the line. No need to add a seam allowance, it's already included. Cut one pair, a front and a back piece. And don't forget to clip the notches. They'll be your guides when sewing later. Place one wing piece right side up on top of the wadding. Position the elastic ends at the notches. Then, lay the second wing piece on top, right sides together, and line up all the edges neatly. Pin the layers together. Start with the elastic first, then work your way around the wings. Add as many pins as you need so everything feels secure and easy to sew. I'm putting on my sewing glasses and setting my machine to a straight stitch with a slightly shorter stitch length. Sew slowly and carefully around the edge of the wings, leaving a small opening for turning. I like to sew right over the pins, but if that doesn't feel comfortable, you can pull them out as you go. Secure your seam with a few back stitches at the beginning and end. Once you're done sewing, use pinking shears to trim the seam allowance. If you don't have them, make small snips along the curves with regular scissors. Clip all the corners, then turn the wings right side out. I'm using a hemostat, my favorite tool when working with tiny doll parts. Take your time and gently push out all the corners. To give the wings that realistic bat look and make them bend nicely, we'll top stitch along the lines transferred from the pattern. Use a regular straight stitch with a longer stitch length and choose a contrasting thread color so those bat lines really stand out. Finally, close the opening with a ladder stitch and our wings are ready for testing. I think they look absolutely perfect on her. How do the bat wings look on your mini doll? Download the free pattern and share your spooky cute creations with us. Thanks so much for watching and sewing with me. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more free patterns and tutorials at Stella Pattern Studio.